Gallignani, a name, a symbol, a brand with a worldwide reputation. Gallignani, a leader for advanced technology in agricultural machinery. A trusted friend you can count on. Behind the Gallignani brand there is a fascinating story of a young Italian blacksmith, Augusto Gallignani, whose farsightedness and enterprise led to the foundation of the company in 1922. Nearly 90 years separates that small workshop in the town of Russi, where Augusto Gallignani built and repaired agricultural machinery from the industrial group that we know today. The Gallignani Group leads in Italy, is one of the top 5 worldwide, and produces machines designed to make farming more profitable, more efficient, and much easier. It is this glorious history that drives and stimulates those who manage Gallignani today and those who will guide it in the future. It provides the experience that over the years has become leading-edge expertise. It shows in the modern manufacturing methods we use and the latest tried and tested technology built into our machines. Gallignani is rightly renowned for its full range of round balers with fixed and variable chambers. Machines designed for handling a wide variety of crops. Machines which meet the operating and logistics needs of agricultural companies both large and small. Gallignani is the undisputed leader for variable and fixed chamber round balers, the ideal machines designed for those who want to bale a variety of products but all with a single bale diameter. For baling hay and dry products in general, the GAC5 is the machine of choice. On this machine, the bale is formed by rollers and belts, which treat the product with the maximum delicacy to ensure that leaves are not damaged. The machine features high operating speeds and low noise levels, and has manual mechanical adjustment of the bale density. The GAC5 is truly cost-effective. Top quality for a reasonable investment makes this baler extremely competitive. Gallignani has developed a brand new range of GACH fixed chamber round balers based on the enormous experience gained over the years and major technological investments. They're equipped with state-of-the-art technical features and are completely modular and configurable to meet a very wide range of customer requirements. To ensure maximum operational flexibility, the new GACH series has models with a roller chamber both at the front and the rear, and models with a mixed chamber fitted with rollers at the front and chains and transversal steel bars at the rear. Various versions equipped with different feed systems are available for all models of the new GACH series. Single rake feeder, rotary feeder, 14 knives supercut, or 25 knives power cut, guaranteeing maximum feed efficiency with all product types and under heavy-duty working conditions. GACH round balers may also be fitted with different types of pickup. These are fully designed and developed by Gallignani with widths from 170 to 220 centimeters. The Auto-Level XL pickup is an exclusive patented Gallignani system. It is extremely effective during harvesting and enables optimization of the feed capacity even on very uneven or irregular ground. 3 different binding systems are available for the GACH round balers: net, net and twine, or only twine. Other equipment which is available on request enables the machine's productivity and performance to be increased. The GACH series of round balers is Gallignani's response to the increasingly specific needs of its customers. The variable chamber round balers of the GAV6 and GAV9 ranges are designed for farming companies and subcontractors who need to process a variety of crops and various bale sizes. These users can make the most of the high versatility and advanced technology incorporated in these machines. The farmer version has an advanced technical specification and a full range of standard features usually only found on more expensive versions. It is therefore particularly cost-effective, offering top quality at a reasonable price. All the variable chamber round balers have a roller and belt system. The rollers are at the front and rotate in contact with the product to form the initial bale shape. To the rear of the machine there are 5 wide belts running side by side. This layout has an odd number of belts to provide a central belt, which supports the bale and reduces product dispersion. All the Gallignani variable chamber round balers of the GAV6 and GAV9 ranges can be configured to match the type of product to be baled. For picking up silage, these balers can be fitted with the adjustable 14-knife supercut and 25-knife power cut cutting systems. The power cut features double protection on each knife. Being able to make very dense and compact bales enables considerable savings in the costs of binding, transport and storage. In the medium term, an investment in one of these top-class machines converts into real savings for the farmer. Gallignani also produces a range of wrappers fitted with efficient, tried and tested fork loading systems. The platform, capable of supporting bales weighing up to 1,000 kilos, is equipped with 2 power rollers driving solid belts which keep the bale rotating continuously during wrapping. Wrapping results are excellent with no air pockets, even in cases where the bales are not perfect. Unloading the wrapped bales is quick and easy. A wrapper machine is the ideal addition to a round baler processing silage. Gallignani also produces a range of conventional square balers, covering a market segment where it is the undisputed leader worldwide. Gallignani conventional square balers are renowned for their reliability and are available in a variety of versions. The models for standard size bales are suitable for picking up and baling any product. They require little maintenance and relatively low PTO ratings. Gallignani's strength has always been that it knows exactly what farmers do and what farmers want. The machines which leave our production facility at Russi are strong, reliable and, first and foremost, meet the requirements of those who specify high productivity. Productivity, thanks to high operating speeds on any type of ground. High productivity, thanks to highly versatile advanced technology, technology that makes bales perfectly suited to the product type and to the farmer's transport and storage requirements. Technology that the operator can control with ease from the tractor driver's seat. Higher productivity thanks to low maintenance requirements and quick, easy access to all machine components. Higher productivity thanks to a sales and after-sales network dedicated to customer satisfaction. Gallignani wouldn't have it any other way. At Gallignani, our customers always come first.